Hi everyone, back with another new easy keto recipe for you. I am calling it a green pesto beef and cauliflower rice hot dish, and it'll serve 2 to 4 people. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 bag of the frozen riced cauliflower, a jar of the green pesto, pink salt and pepper, a fry pan with spatula and cover. Start by heating up the ground beef on the stove on a medium heat. Add over it heavily pink salt and light pepper. And then you're going to give this a stir and then put the cover on and let it heat up. While that's heating, go ahead and heat up your cauliflower rice in the microwave. Mine takes 6 minutes in my microwave. And then when the beef is all cooked up, you want to strain it in a strainer and then put it back on the stove in your fry pan. And then let's get our mixture made up. You're going to add the whole bag of the cauliflower heated rice. And then add over the whole jar of the green pesto. It's a basil, and it's 6.25 ounces. Give this a good stir, and it's all ready to serve up. Now, I made this into 2 servings, but like I said, it could definitely be 2 to 4 servings, and I added over Parmesan cheese. This was absolutely delicious, and for the whole pan was 14 net carbs. So for that plate right there is 7 net carbs. Absolutely delicious, super easy to make, and I do believe even your children would love this one. And always keep it keto.